Welcome back, and again, the official website of the Shakey's V-League is www.b-league.ph, and you're gonna see there the schedules of the games, the lineup of the teams, and of course, the team standings. Lalo na, nandito na po tayo sa quarter-final round.
Oh! Seraphica trying to get that ball, but not everyone's always lucky, no? She was trying to reach for it with one hand.
That's right, and alam mo, sa Seraphica, bihira yung mga ganyang errors, no? Sa quality nitong setter na to.
That's true. Mukha lang siyang relax na relax, chill na chill sa loob ng court. But, you know, this girl really works hard.
Bunag again. Cruzada trying to put it down the line. They go back to Rachel. Nene Bautista was right there. Cruzada again.
Oh! There was a touch.
And it was inside. So
That was inside as well. That's right.
And Cruzada getting points on the board here in the first set. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills, the Mikasa MVA 300. Wow, Urs Iratay. Oh, Mikmik. And you've got to like the way, you know, Mikmik is attacking that quick play, no? Pasok ng pasok.
And ang bilis. Hindi ito yung quick na makikita mo, na mapapredict mo pa. Yung kanya, talagang biglang, naglanda yung bola.
And a service error from Suzanne Rosses just nullifies that great play of Mikmik in the middle.
Of course, now is not a good time for them to commit an error now that the Philippine Army is up by 3 points. So they need one good reception.
Rachel to Suson. Iratay to Michelle. Oh, nice save by Bunag using her head both literally and
Yun ang beach volleyball player. See, that was how quick. She knew that yung area na yun sa likod walang tao. Look at how long that drop is.
That's the longest drop I've seen.
Ang layo na, imagine, from the other side of the court
to the other
zone
corner.
1.
Wow. And believe me, hindi yun by chance. Talagang ginagawa ni Mikmik yan.
Oo.
Nice defense by Cruzada. Laborte again. Again to that same spot. King Balse knowing better this time. Ganda ng mga depensa ng mga to.
Wow! Quality attack from Bautista.
Alam mo, using the vernacular or yung street language, yung tawag dito, putuhan eh.
Oh, pero ang ganda ng depensa
Ang ganda
because
ng
you
depensahan eh.
actually see that the players are hindi siya basta-basta depensa. You can see them controlling the ball,
Yes.
trying to make it slower
Yes.
so that the setter will have time.
And you can see them in the right position. Hindi
Oo.
yung mga one-hand saves, talagang nakatapat.
Except for that one, na-jinx mo ulit. But yun nga, they don't dive as much because they're there where the ball is gonna be.
That's
So, ibig sabihin, nagbabasa.
That's right, nagbabasa at saka maganda yung tapat nila
Oo.
sa atake ng kalaban. Urs Iratay.
Nick Laborte.
Now I've seen everything.
Ibang klase.
Now I've seen, look at this. Look at Mickey Laborte. Parang kukunal lang yata yung sumabit sa bola eh. Nailusot pa.
So far, Laborte is our top scorer for the Philippine Navy.
Oh, Bunag again into the corner. Grabe rin yung atake. Wow. Joanne Bunag getting it done after she, got into the match. Not a good play right there. Nagkalituhan sa senyas yun. No? Alright, now it's the turn of the Army to call a timeout or the Navy to call another timeout. Let's listen in.
Guys, nagkakagulo tayo, guys. Sayang yun, sayang. Sayang. Pwede natin yan na bola. Matapos lang tayo. Huwag kayong magkagulo. Ayos ang play. Full shape for game. Kami tayo. Kasi sila ako lang para hindi ka mapagod. Ako lang. Quick pattern. Quick stress. Quick. Pattern. Oh, lahat ng bola. Wala.
Alright, look at that. Ayun, yung block ni Michelle Carolino.
Sakto. Looking at the lineup of...
Alright, and as Bunag is getting ready to serve, of course, Shakey's. If it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. You were about to say, Ann?
Yep, looking at the lineup of the Philippine Army, of course, that's a good attack from Bautista. I just noticed, no, from the lineup of the Philippine Army, it's a total mix of players. As we take a look at that again, if we serve a second look. And yung form, no, yung form ni Bautista,
And that was the play that Coach Nene Ibanez drew up during that timeout.
Oh. And Mick is saying na palabas na yung bola, but pa-out na at hinabol pa rin niya.
Reflex move coming from Laborte. Still a 3-point lead for the Philippine Army with Michelle Carolino serving.
Oh, net violation there by Dakis.
Rachel with a net call by first referee Adrian Tabanyag. Nice serve.
Oh, and a good attack by Mayet Carolino.
Ganda nung set. Ang ganda nung atake ni Mayet.
And you can see the effort of Iratay to really variate her plays, para hindi ganun ka-predictable for the Philippine Navy.
Oh, poor reception from Bautista, but Serafica able to save it. Another good set. This time the block is there.
But Daki is able to get that point. A lot of FEU graduates are actually here in the lineup of the Philippine Army. You have there Iratay, Dakis, Ege, John Bunag, Tina Salak. Did I miss anyone? But I think they're all, majority of them are actually from FEU.
Oh, that was Iratay with a good set.
Oh, Cruzada had the right thing in mind actually, but the ball went wide.
And after a lot of great exchanges, both in offense and in defense, a lot of defensive saves as well, and it is the Army getting this first set.
So we take a look at our shake and play. Look at this.
Rachel, napalusutan yung dalawang block. Ayun, kita naman natin, malinis pong puntos. It is the Philippine Army winning set number 1, 25-20. We'll be back with the second set after this break.
Perfect.